Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine, and we are going to whip together a 3-ingredient, keto-friendly, fluffy chocolate mousse that is to die for. You can adjust the recipe a little bit. You can add some protein powder and peanut butter powder maybe, etc. But I'm just going to show you the straight 3-ingredient, simple base recipe. So I thought I'd bring you with, so come on with. Okay, I have my bowl, my mixer out, and what we normally do is, I'm starting with a brand new heavy whipping cream, and I'll leave the ingredient list down below. It's actually super simple. I'm doing 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, and this is homemade powdered sugar. You can check that video out. And it's any type of powdered sweetener. So you can mix this with coconut sugar, monk fruit, etc. I just find that regular powdered sugar is the tastiest, for lack of better. And like I said, and this is my own homemade powdered sugar. And then I have cacao powder, which is similar to cocoa powder. It's just a little bit healthier version. And that's also 1/3 cup. And that's it. So I'm doing the dry ingredients first. I'm going to add just a touch more. Dry ingredients first. Kind of mix that together. Get kind of the, if there's any lumps or bumps, like sometimes in the cacao there's a few little bumps. And don't mind my cat playing with his squeaky mouse in the background, I guess. All right, so that's pretty good. That's kind of mixed together. And then now we're gonna add the wet ingredients ingredient. I'm telling you guys, this is just so simple. And I like to make some up and then have some in the fridge. And then I don't have to worry about trying to find a naughtier snack. I mean, this is just that simple. All right, so 1.5 cups of the heavy whipping cream. Put that in. And literally that's it. So now, kind of the fun part, I've always liked doing the mixing. Used to beg my mom to do the mixing back in the day, right? We all kind of did. And then what do you get to do at the end? You get to lick the beaters, right? So I'm gonna turn mine on. Maybe. There we go. And I'm just gonna kind of start out slow. And you just wanna whip it into a fluffy consistency. Okay. So now you can see kind of the thicker consistency that it is, but it's fluffy good. And what I like to do, I like to have my little mini mason jars, and then I just fill these up and I have them in my fridge for when I want a snack. And you can always add fruit to this, etc. And it just is a fun, delicious, keto-friendly, which is kind of the craze these days. I'm not really into all that, but you know, supposedly healthier than so many things. You know exactly what's going in it. And yeah, all right, well that one looks good. And it's just fun and delicious. So I'm gonna get these filled up, and then I'll show you at the end what you can put on top of them to make them a little more attractive. Okay, so 3 ingredients. I probably couldn't have filled them a little less, and so we could have got 4 of these out, but I just want to show you. So I topped this one with some chocolate chips, which is always fun, and yeah, I could have like filled it in a little bit better. Or you can top it with some fruit, or if you want to be really fun and decadent, I did some natural peanut butter on there. The good, yummy, the Santa Cruz yummy organic dark roasted peanut butter. That is very decadent. And then I saved a little on the spoon to give it a test taste. So let's see what we think. Using the cacao powder definitely gives it more of a rich, decadent flavor, but it's still at the same time, still at the same time light and fluffy. That's what I love about this. And with it just being 3 ingredients, you can double, triple, you can take and do like a dollop in a cute little glass and add a little piece of fruit. I mean, it's just that simple. So let me know what you think down in the comments if you try it. And I am sporting my new fun apron from the grandchildren. So thank you, girls. Yeah, so I just thought I'd show you one of my favorite, super simple, another one where it took more time to get the ingredients out than it did to make it, kind of one. So I love stuff like that, don't you? So thanks for stopping by my little channel. And if you like super simple recipes like this, hit that like and subscribe. And I will see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. Simple, keto-friendly, whipped, what is it? Chocolate mousse, whipped, fluffy. There you go, fluffy, fluffy. It's Christine. And we're gonna whip together a 3-ingredient, fluffy what? Fluffy chocolate mousse. Okay, all right, get it together. Way too close. Whoa, 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 whoa.